here, the brainstorming program that I used was Inspiration, and over here is my concept map that I've kind of driven in your presentation. So I'll go ahead and put that into presentation mode. Alright, so again, I gave 5 tips for equine nutrition. With that, the 5 tips are kind of displayed out right here. You've got your first tip, always supply an unlimited quantity of water. You have tip 2, which is make sure maximize horse forage and intake. Tip 3 is supplement vitamins and minerals, and then you got your tips 4 and 5, which 4 would be make sure to monitor your horse's body condition scoring, and then tip 5 would be to change feedstuffs gradually, because that's also very important. So I went on to kind of break down within each one, and we talk about on average of a 1,000-pound horse typically needs at least 10 to 12 gallons of water a day. And if you look on the actual concept map, you'll see those pictures that go along with that. With tip 2, you want to have a lot of forage too. You want 2 to 2.5% of their body weight in forage and grasses. And if you look right here, I have a video that I've posted. It's actually about YouTube. It's a YouTube video talking about the different forage management practices. A great video to look at if you're interested. Tip 3, I have the website attached over here, kind of talking more about supplements, but again, supplements are very important, but they also are important in the right amount. If you give too many, you can hurt them. If you give too little, it can also be very detrimental. Tip 4, make sure you monitor your horse's body condition scoring. So I actually put a note on this, you'll see in my my concept map, but knowing kind of these fluctuates depending on their age, their activities, their overall lifestyle, and things like that, and it goes from 1 to 9. So you really want to see around a 5. 1 is really weak, 9 is really plump and almost too much overweight. So that's how that varies. Our last tip that I had was that horses typically have similar diets from one to another, and within this, you really want to be able to change them gradually. So you're wanting these tips to, not tips, you're wanting these feedstuffs that you're giving them. All horses usually do need a lot of the same things. However, you start with that and then you vary it based on their age and activity again. So it's all very dependent on the different activities and things that they're doing. Okay, and there's my note. So when you go back here, I'll let you look at this real fast. You can see we've got the whole concept maps, my note down here. You got your tips, you got different pictures kind of showing each one that are really relevant. You've got your supplements, grazing photos, water, different sizes for different animals to change things regularly. So all kinds of things. So that's all I got.